Number 7. Two numbers are shown on the number line. Which value is not located between these two numbers on the number line? I find when I'm doing these questions that it's helpful to get what each of those represent, maybe in a decimal format, and then I can place them where they belong. The first thing, though, I notice is that square root of 9. I know what that is without even touching my calculator, right? Square root of 9 is 3. Divided by 3 is 1. And so I'm going to kind of write 1 above this so that I know. Now right now I'm not exactly sure what 2 pi is. Some of you approximate pi with a 3.14. So I'm kind of okay with you saying that's approximately double that, which is 6.28. Okay, that's okay with me. And so we're trying to figure out which of these are going to lie between. Actually, which is not going to, excuse me. All right, so maybe we don't need our calculator, maybe we do. I feel like we might for C and D. I'm going to show you. But I think that A, you guys know, is about 3.14. Square root of 9 is equal to 3. Okay. So we're going to go over and calculate pi ninths and pi squared over 9. Now right here on your exponent button in blue is a little pi. And how I access that, since it's blue, is with the second button, right up here, the blue button. That activates that. So I'm going to do pi divided by 9. And then we need pi squared divided by 9. So I'm going to activate that again by putting the pi, but then I have to put an exponent on that. So I'm going to put pi squared, making sure I right arrow out of it, divided by 9. So we have a 0.35 approximately and a 1.1 approximately. Let's go back over to our answer choices. What we just calculated for our pi over 9 was approximately 0.35. And our pi squared over 9 was approximately, notice I'm doing these kind of squiggly equal signs. That means approximately, because I'm doing a little rounding here, okay? But it's okay because we're trying to place these. Which one is not between 1 and 6.28? So if I look at these each individually, 3.14 is between those. Okay, so he's not on my list here. 3 is between them. I think 0.35 is not going to be, because 0.35 is somewhere outside of this window. So I'm going to pick C as my answer here, as not being between those two values.